everyone! Today I thought I would do a nail stamping 101. It's something that I've seen a lot of people struggle with. I personally struggled with it for at least a good year and a half when I first started off doing nails. I went through a lot of plates, went through a lot of stampers, spent a lot of money replacing those stampers. So I'm going to show you what not to do and then how to stamp effectively. So, first thing you want to do is learn how to clean your actual stamper. The only thing I use is a lint roller. This one is from IKEA, and just simply roll your stamper. That's all you do. That's how you clean it. You don't touch it, you don't wipe it, you don't cleanse it, you don't use alcohol, you don't use acetone, you don't use buffers or files. Someone told me once on Facebook, of course, to actually use a buffer and just lightly sort of prime my buffer. That destroyed it, and I've seen people give that advice to quite a few people. I've even seen people ask why their buffer isn't working even though they've primed it. The only thing that's going to do is destroy your buffer, and see how it's very lovely and clear and you can see through it? You're not going to be able to see through it anymore if you do that. So use acetone to clean your plate, use a lint roller or sticky tape to clean your stamper. That is the only thing you should be using. Okay, now when it actually comes to picking up your design, you're all probably thinking, yeah, this is why we came here, just get to the picking up. A lot of you put that on there. Really meticulously scrape that on there. You've grabbed your stamper. This is what I used to do. I used to actually pick up my stamper, go, oh crap, there's some old leftover bits of polish on there. I would give it a clean. Alright, ready to go. And then nothing. And then I would do light pressure, then I would do firm pressure, and then I would do the up and down, rock them back and forth, and of course nothing was happening. The reason for this is simple. You've waited too long and your polish has dried. So the best piece of advice I can give you is clean your stamper, have it right here. Get your scraper, have it right there. Your nail, hopefully it's on a person who's sitting right in front of you. If not, have your actual tip ready to go, have your polish. And this is actually a tip from a design I did in a previous video, but I thought we can just stamp really quickly over it. So let's put her there. And always, always, always work over a paper towel or something that you don't mind destroying, or something that is easily cleaned. You will make a lot of mess. I do get this over my fingers, so try to wear gloves, or you can just be the opposite of me and actually work quite neat. But either way, let's get our polish, put it over our design, get our scraper really firm, scrape it down, and then roll, pick up. Really quick. Don't wait. Don't sort of get your stamper and line it up and then sort of roll and then try and press and pick up. Just pick it up, scrape, roll. Okay, and then we line it up over our nail. I press, roll. Done. And all I would need to do now is top coat. And again, cleaning your lint roller, or cleaning your stamper with your lint roller, all you need to do is roll it on. And then of course, acetone on a wipe. Make sure you get all of your polish out of your plate before you use it, and I'll obviously clean it after you're done as well. Same as your scraper, you can get built up, so make sure you clean that. I clean mine with acetone. I don't know if you're supposed to or not. Hasn't affected it. I've had this for well over a year, and the logo is mainly still there. So acetone doesn't really affect that. But yeah, that was my really quick Stamping 101. I really hope that this has helped some people out. Let me know if stamping has been something that you've struggled with, like myself. My clients knew for a long time not to actually ask me to do stamping because they knew that it was basically a huge fail. And now when they come to me, they go, "Remember that time you didn't know how to stamp?" And I was like, "Yeah, thankfully I do." And looking back, I'm like, I cannot believe that I could not figure it out. I was wondering what brands I should use, what stampers I should use. I mainly use one brand. There are a lot of stamping brands out there that are amazing. The one I use is an Australian brand. It is called Hit the Bottle. My stamper, my scraper and my polishers are all from Hit the Bottle. My plates I buy from everywhere. So I find the plates don't really matter so much. So again, hope you really enjoyed hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit subscribe if I've helped you in any way, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.